Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I colored this hair off camera, but I'm going to show you everything that I used. But I'm pretty sure you guys know how to get blonde. I've shown that a few times on my channel, how to get this blonde patch. And what I put on top of this blonde patch is this Baby Blue by Adore. Then it turned out like this. But the look that I'm going for is something a little more extravagant. So I'm going to add this pink on top. This is Carnation Pink by Directions. And this is the results that I got. Those little hues of purple. That's how I achieved that look. Class, what does pink and blue make? Purple, correct. Now we're just going to go ahead and braid my client's hair down. This is going to be a glueless install. You don't have to do skinny braids all the time. I'm also going to do something that I've never done before. I'm going to do her makeup. So this is going to be a semi-transformation video. I'm not a makeup artist or anything like that. I only know how to do my own makeup. But if you guys would like to see more of these videos, let me know. You're going to use some holding spray, whether you want to use the one that I'm using in this particular video. It's made by BioSilk. I really like this hair. It easily turns blonde and the hairline comes pre-plucked basically. You can pluck more if you want to. If you don't want to, you don't have to. And you're going to go ahead and cut the lace in a zigzag motion, whether you want to use scissors or you can use an eyebrow razor, whichever works best for you. And when it comes down to the lace around the ear, you're going to cut around the ear literally. For my glueless installs, I like to use the Gots to Be gel, and you're going to apply it the same way you would apply it if it was Ghost Bond or Bowl Hold or whatever glue you like to use. You're going to apply it the same way. Always use thin layers. Once you have a thin layer, you're going to get your blow dryer and allow it to get tacky. Once it gets tacky, you can go ahead and slide your lace up into the glue. It's very, very easy. And you're going to, once the lace is into the gel, you're going to take your blow dryer again and allow the lace to melt. After that, you're going to take your Gots to Be Free spray and you're going to spray it on the lace. I like to do this because it's like extra security, and the glue, well, the gel and the spray works really, really good together. It's like an extra hold. So you're going to take that and do that around the whole front of your lace and blow dry it until it's melted. This is going to allow your lace to disappear. It's an illusion. The lace is always going to be there, but this is going to blend your lace in with your skin. What I'm using is some Maybelline Fit Me Powder. I'm going to show you the number that I'm using on my client, but I buy all colors, of course, because I have all shades of clients. In this video, I'm not using the lace tint. I'm going to use the makeup because she has makeup on, so I don't want it to look, you know, like it's not uniformed. But you're going to go ahead and take your head wrap and wrap it down and continue with the styling process. I'm going to be doing some bouncy curls. Soon I'll be doing a very detailed video how to create these curls, how to hold the flat iron, which direction to go in, and all of things of that sort. But for now, the main purpose of this video was show you how to get a glueless melt and how to get these cute colors. I'll be doing a layering video soon as well. Once you have it cut and everything, you're going to just take a wide tooth comb and continue to style it, comb it, and play with it until you get it exactly how you want it.
Hold on now.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time.